Welcome back, traders. Today, I have got something truly special for you. A trading strategy that utilizes the most accurate trading indicator for scalping. I'm going to share a strategy with this indicator that uses a straightforward approach that yields impressive results. Make sure to watch this video carefully until the very end, as we'll be breaking down every aspect of this strategy in detail. So I'm in Tradingview, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. We are going to be using only 2 indicators for this strategy, and this is why it is also very easy to understand for everybody. I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain everything from the beginning. First of all, let's add the main indicator of our strategy to the chart. For that, we click on the Indicator Search tab and search for the Andean Oscillator. After this, select the indicator created by Alex Grover and add it to the chart. This indicator is easily one of the best indicators to use when scalping any market. It can provide you with very clear biases in the market. It can also provide you with trend biases, trend reversals, and strong and weak trend zones. Now, let's head over to the settings of this indicator. Here we can see we have 2 options available. The length option controls the significance of the trends that are being detected. Increasing this value will provide longer-term trends, and decreasing will provide shorter-term trends. Since we will be using the indicator for scalping short moves, we will keep it on its defaults of 50. Next is the signal length, which is this line. This is just a moving average, and it will be used for entries and exits. So if we decrease this value, you'll notice the signal lines will tighten more to the others, and this can result in a lot of mixed signals. We will increase this to 50, smoothing out the signals detected, and this will eliminate a lot of false signals. These are the only changes we will make. This indicator has 3 components. We have the bullish line, the bearish line, and the signal line. If the red line is above the green line, this indicates bearish momentum. And if the green line is above the red line, this indicates bullish momentum. This does not indicate that it is time to open a buy or sell position. His is just to determine what is the directional bias of the market at these points. When there is bearish momentum in the market and the green line is at 0, this shows an extremely strong sell trend. The opposite is also true. If we are experiencing a bullish momentum in the market and the red line is at 0, this indicates a strong buy trend. Now, let's understand how the indicator can be used to find buy or sell signals. For this, we will use the signal line. When the green line crosses and moves above the signal line, like it did here, this is a signal to buy. So for example, we can open a buy trade here. And as you can see, this was an amazing buy signal given by this indicator. Similarly, we will open a sell trade when the red line crosses above the signal line, just like it did here. So here we got a valid sell signal, and we can open a sell trade here. This is the most straightforward way of reading this indicator. But opening a buy and sell position every time this indicator gives a signal is not a good option. So to stay away from false signals given by this indicator, we will use another method that can be more profitable. This method involves ensuring that the line needs to be at the 0 level. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. For example, here we can see we have bullish momentum, as we have the green line crossing above the signal line. But if we look at the red line, we can see it's not at 0 level. This means that there are still some sellers in the market due to this. We might want to skip this trade and wait for another. Here we can see the red line crossed above the signal line, and the green line is at the 0 level. So this right here is a more strong signal, and most probably these types of signals will be profitable. So we will only enter when we get buy and sell signals like these. In order to create a complete scalping strategy using this indicator, we will need to add some other indicators to our chart. So we will click on the Indicators tab and search for ADX, and then add this one to the chart. Now, first of all, we will draw a line at the 20 level of the ADX, and this is going to be it. We will not change any settings for this indicator. So now that our chart is set, let's go through the exact rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for a buy signal given by the Andean indicator. And for that, as we already know, the green line must cross above the signal line, and the red line should be at a 0 level like it is here. And then we will confirm this signal with the help of the ADX indicator. For a valid buy signal, the ADX line should be above the 20 level. So as all the conditions are fulfilled here, we will open a buy position here. Our stop loss for this strategy will be set at the low of the last two candles, which will be right here, and we will set our take profit target at 1.5%. Now let's see if this trade will hit our target or not. As we can see, this was a very good buy signal. Now let's go through one more buy trade example. Here we can see we got a valid buy signal, and it is also confirmed by the ADX indicator. So I will open a buy trade here. The stop loss will be set at the low of the previous two candles, and the take profit target will be 1.5. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. Now let's go through the rules for entering sell trade using this strategy. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. For a sell trade to be considered valid, our first step is to wait for a sell signal given by the Andean indicator. And we already know that when the red line crosses above the signal line and the green line is resting at the 0 level, like it is here, it is an indication to open a sell position. So finally, we will confirm this signal just like we did in buy trades. In order for the sell signal to be confirmed, the ADX line should be above the 20 level. So with all these conditions met, we can initiate a sell position. So I'll open a sell position here. Our money management rules will be the same for sell trade. We will set our stop loss at the highest point of the last two candles. And if we would have waited for some time, we could have gotten an amazing risk to reward ratio of 10, which is actually mind-blowing. I hope you guys have understood this strategy. If you guys have any suggestions on how we can improve this strategy, please feel free to share them in the comments. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys next video.